With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. Here the question says a helium atom at 300 Kelvin is released from the surface of the earth to travel upwards. Assuming that it undergoes no collision with other molecules, how high will it be before coming to the rest? Okay, so in this question we have to calculate the height, right? Because it's given that how high will it be before coming to the rest. Okay, it means it is related to the potential energy, because potential energy is mgh, and it is also given that no collision with the other molecules. So here we will use the conservation of energy, in which we relate kinetic energy to the potential energy. So kinetic energy for a molecule is 3 by 2 kBt. Okay, so it is equal to the mgh. Okay, this is our kinetic energy for a molecule and this is our potential energy. Okay, so we need to calculate the height. And before that, in the question it is given helium atom. So for helium atom the mass will be equal to, helium atom has 4 protons. Okay, it has 4 protons, so mass will be 4 into 1.67 into 10 raised per minus 27. So it will be mass, and we know that the value of kb, it is a constant. So for that the value of kb is 1.38 into 10 raised per minus 23. Okay, and the temperature is also given, that is 300 Kelvin. Okay, so let's put up the values. So it will be 3 by 2 into 1.38 into 10 raised per minus 23 into 300 is equal to 4 into 1.67 into 10 raised per minus 27 into 10. Okay, assume the value of G is equal to 10, or we can also take 9.8. Okay, but here we will consider it to be 10 into H. Okay, into H. We have considered the round figure value here, that is 10. So now H will be is equal to 3 by 2 into 1.38 into 10 raised per minus 23 into 300 upon 4 into 1.67 into 10 raised per minus 27 into 10. Okay, so if we solve this whole term, so here our H will be, H is equal to 3 into, okay, so this will be cancelled out with this. So here it will be 30. If we cancel it with 30, it will be 15. Okay, right? So it will be 3 into 1.38 into 10 raised per minus 23 plus 27 into 15 upon 4 into 1.67. Okay, now we have in the 10 power 4, and here after solving these terms we will get 9.52 into 10 raised per 4 meter. H is equal to, okay, what we get the value of H is equal to, let me write again, H, that is our height, is equal to 9.52 into 10 raised per 4 meters, and that's our answer. Okay, so here we have been asked that how high will it go, so our answer is 9.53 into 10 raised per 4 meters. Okay, this is our correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.